Have you ever lost, sat on, bought too many, spent too much, dropped or been frustrated when changing lenses on your glasses? We are WOLT. With 10 years experience in the glasses industry, we have developed the experience and knowledge to create the glasses we've always wanted, that matches today's high expectations for a product that lasts. Unlike every other glasses company out there, we offer something unique. We offer a pair of versatile sunglasses that help make your everyday life easier. Today, we bring to you Looper, Scout and Rover. With our classic aviator, round and wayfarer designs, our incredibly lightweight, flat and minimal design is made of medical aluminium. This means that our weight doesn't compromise on the strength or design and is also 100% recyclable. We have made our product foldable 2 ways to fit any size pocket, shirt pocket, trousers, purse or wallet. With our collapsible design, our glasses fold to 5 by 2 centimeters. Interchangeable lenses have always been an issue with notoriously weak screws or awkward lens mechanisms. Our slick and toolless design gives you the freedom to change lenses on the go. Our lenses, which are polarized, UV blocking, ad blocking and anti-blue light for the gamers and the editors out there. 1.65 million glasses are lost each year around the world and are in the top 5 items lost every year. Which brings us to our last point. With every pair of WOLT glasses, you get a Bluetooth tracked glasses case, so you'll never lose your glasses again. With our downloadable app, your glasses will always be within reach. Our glasses are on the perfect balance with fashion trends and progressive technology. We are on the forefront of what's possible in the glasses industry. Working, playing and socializing are all elements we have brought together into what we believe is the perfect pair of sunglasses. Now we are releasing on Kickstarter because of our high development costs. We want to give you the opportunity to purchase our product at a healthy discounted rate, and with your support, we can take WOLT to the next level.